Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove members from a band group in the band app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the band app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap the chat button of your screen. Now tap on the group, look at the top right and tap the three horizontal line. Then tap on chat members or view all. This will show everyone in your band. Scroll through the list and find the person you want to remove. Tap their name to open the profile or options. Now look for the option that says remove from band or kick out. Tap it, then confirm. When the pop-up asks if you are sure, go back to your member list and you will see that person no longer appear. That means they have been removed successfully. And that's it. You have just removed a member from your band group in the band app using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.